today's topic is measurement and experiment. Like the other branch of science, physics required experiment. To do some experiment, we need to measure something. So, at first, we have to know what is measurement. Measurement. And the answer is measurement is the process of comparison of the given physical quantity with the known standard quantity of the same nature. Okay. Now we have to know what is unit. What is unit? Okay. And the answer is unit is the quantity of a constant magnitude which is used to measure the magnitudes of other quantities of the same nature. Okay. So, to express some measurement of any physical quantity, we must need two things. Okay. Number one is unit and the other is numerical value. That is, any physical quantity equals to numerical value into unit. If there is 5 kg sugar, so the here physical quantity of sugar of sugar equals to 5 kg. Here 5 is numerical value and kg is unit. Now, how can we choose choice unit? Choice unit. Okay. Number 1. It should be possible to define the unit without ambiguity. Okay. Number 2, the value of unit should not change with space and time. That is, it always same. If we change time or space, it cannot be changed. Okay. Number 3, the unit should be reproducible. Okay, now moving to the kind of unit. Kind of unit. There are two kinds of unit. Two kinds of unit. Number one is fundamental or basic unit, and the other is derived unit. Okay, now fundamental unit. Fundamental unit is that type of unit that is it is independent. Okay, so a fundamental or basic unit is that which is independent of any other unit, or which can neither be changed nor can be related to any other fundamental unit. So the example of fundamental unit. Okay. Unit of mass. Length. Time. Temperature. Current. It is. Now derived set. Derived unit. Now derived unit. Derived unit is those unit which depends on fundamental unit. Okay, so derived units are those which depend on fundamental unit or which can be expressed in terms of the fundamental unit. Okay, example, unit of area equals to unit of length into unit of length. So unit of length square. This shows that area, unit of area depends on unit of length. Here unit of length is fundamental unit. Okay, similarly unit of volume, unit of length, unit of length into unit of length equals to unit of length cube. Here also unit of volume depends on unit of length. Okay, it is. moving on the next topic, that is system of unit. System of unit. Okay. Number 1, CGS system. Number 2, FPS system. Number 3, MKS system. Quantity unit in CGS, unit in FPS, unit in MKS. Okay. For the length, CGS, unit in CGS, it will be centimeter. Okay. And FPS, for FPS, pound. And for MKS, meter. Mass, for CGS, gram. For FPS, sorry, this is foot. And for mass, pound. And for this, kilogram. MKS. And for time, second. Second. And okay. Usually we use the system that is SI system. For that case, quantity and unit. Length, meter. Mass, kilogram. Time, second. Temperature, Kelvin. Current, ampere, etc. Okay. For large measurement, we use deca. Symbol DA, meaning 10 to the power 1. Hecto. Symbol H, 10 to the power 2. Kilo. Symbol K, small k, 10 to the power 3. Mega. Symbol capital M and capital K, 10 to the power 6. Giga. G, 10 to the power 9. Tera. T, 10 to the power 12. Beta. P, 10 to the power 15. Exa. E, 10 to the power 18. Zeta. Z, 10 to the power 21. Iota. Y, 10 to the power 24. Okay. Similarly, for small measurement, prefix, symbol and meaning. Prefix is deci, d 10 to the power minus 1, centi, c 10 to the power minus 2, milli, m 10 to the power minus 3, micro, mu 10 to the power minus 6, nano, n 10 to the power minus 9, pico, p, small p 10 to the power minus 12, atto, a 10 to the power minus 18, zipto, z 10 to the power minus 21, ioto, small y 10 to the power minus 24. Okay, we usually use a table. I just write it for length. Okay, that is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. When we calculate 1 kilometer equals to how much meter? For that we have to look up in the table. Okay, what is the position of meter and kilometer? Since we transfer kilometer to meter and meter is 3 steps below from the kilometer, then 1 kilometer equals to 1 into 10 to the power 3 meter. Similarly, when we calculate 1 meter equals to how much kilometer? Since meter and since kilometer is 3 steps above from meter, then 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. Similarly, when we calculate 1 meter equals to how much centimeter? Two steps below from meter, that's why it becomes 1 into 10 to the power 2. Okay. Similarly, from the other two table, 5 gigahertz equals to 5 into 10 to the power 9 hertz. Since meaning of giga is 10 to the power 9, that's why 5 multiple with 10 to the power 9. Okay, and 5 picofarad equals to 5 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad. Meaning of pico is 10 to the power minus 12, that's why 5 is multiple with 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, so The next topic we discuss in on next video. If anyone interested it in Bengali language, then comment below. If there are at least 10 comments, then I will do it. Okay, thank you.